All right, it is later. I came home, took a nap, and now I'm going to the chiropractor to get adjusted. And then we're going to have our productive night unpacking, getting my life back on track because it's been a few days of fun. And I'll update you guys on my trip and everything because I think people are confused. But per usual with my life, leggings, Lululemon. This is a cropped sweatshirt from Bright Bar, which is where I get my spray tans, Princess Polly Puffer, and my Hoka sneakers. We're gonna get adjusted, and yeah, should be fun. Here we are, Union Square, adjustment. 7 a.m. breakfast moment. Yesterday I stopped vlogging because I came home and made some dinner and watched The Bachelor, but today is going to be the full get my life together day, so welcome. Here we go. My suitcase state right now. I'm gonna unpack. Pretty much everything in it is dirty for the most part, but yeah. I don't know why my eyes are red. While I am unpacking, I'm watching this TED Talk. This is how to use quantum physics to make your dreams a reality. I don't know, I just was inspired to like listen to a TED Talk or something while I unpack, and I have no good podcast to listen to today, so TED Talks it is.
Would appear to be happy on the outside.
This is a newer suitcase I got for Christmas from Calpac. I love it. It's just like, since it's this light color, it gets kind of dirty. And I try to clean my suitcases when I get back from trips just to stay tidy. I don't have any wipes or anything right now, so I just literally used like this multi-purpose cleaner just to disinfect. I don't know, I feel like if I'm like throwing it around, like putting it on my bed and stuff, that's kind of gross. So that's cleaned out. Per usual, after a trip, we got lots of laundry. I really like this laundry basket that I have from Amazon because I do delicates slash like activewear in one and then just like my regular stuff in the other. But it's also nice because they are removable if you wanted to. For my suitcases, I always put my smaller suitcases in my larger ones just to save room. For Christmas, I got a carry-on from the same line, so I just stick that right on the inside, and then that chills there. Cool. Now for this. This is mostly clean clothes, jackets, jeans, stuff that doesn't need to be washed. I'm like really in a cleaning mood right now. I don't know why. I also changed into this sweatshirt from the Mayfair group. I totally bought it myself, but it says, LOL, sorry, I'm an Aries. I can't even read it backwards, but I love it. I got it in an XL. I don't think they sell it anymore. I think it was like limited. I saw it on their Instagram story. It was like limited stock. Bought it right away. It took a while to get here, but she's here. So this is my cleaning attire of the day. Unpacked it. I'm just in a cleaning mojo, so like let's keep it up. I'm gonna use my Swiffer. I couldn't say that for a second. I've actually been using this more so recently. It's really, really helpful just for cleaning in general. I use the wet one because I have a lot of hard floors in this apartment and I could take it into the bathroom and everything. They get kind of like sticky and gross sometimes, especially if I have people over. Haven't had people over in a while, but still for myself, it's really easy. It just like attaches basically on here. You could also just get like the regular Swiffer, which is more for like dusting and stuff like that, I think. This is more like a mop, not necessarily, I guess. I guess it's, yeah, it says wet mopping cloth. I don't have a mop, so this is the closest thing I have to it. My technique is going to be very poor, but let's do this. I already had it come off, so that's how today's going. Just going through my cabinet, like this is so random, but I found my Emma Chamberlain coffee that I used and I never really made it like great. Arlen was telling me, he was like, look, it's literally so good, you just have to make it right. Oh, I think there's a sticker in here, that's cute. I'm going to try that out now. I'm gonna make it for tomorrow, I guess. So I'm gonna throw in these coffee bags, throw that in the fridge so that tomorrow I can have some nice coffee. I have like no coffee actually here or milk or anything, but I think I'm getting HelloFresh later today, so hopefully I don't have to go grocery shopping. This is it. And then basically you leave it, I don't even think it has to be this many hours. I don't want to make it too thick, that's the problem. I think that's enough water. That might be too much water actually. 2 bags, and then I think it just steeps like that. I actually don't have a top for this. Is that gross? I think I could put like tin foil on top. Aluminum guy. LOL, this looks like a science project, but at least I'll have coffee tomorrow. I have literally like 2 pods left, including this one, this hazelnut Nespresso pod. And it's like 9:30, getting over, actually it's 9:45, getting over the hump. Let's make some coffee. Look at this thick boy. Fills up the glass cup perfectly. I really don't know what's going on with my skin right now. I think it's post-travel. I started breaking out heavy on my trip, and then I was wearing like full face of foundation every day because I was like out doing things, taking pictures and whatnot. So now my skin hates me. So we're gonna get it back on track. I also have like a lot of dry skin here towards the bottom. So I'm going to use this Tula sugar scrub that I got recently. I haven't had a good scrub in a moment. I've used the, ooh, I really like the feeling of this. I've used the Summer Fridays overtime mask, but I haven't had like a real true scrub. Oh, this is good. It feels like sand from the beach on your face in the best way possible. Now we're rinsing it off with some warm water. I really don't know why like under here is so red. That's what I'm confused about. I just got a little in my mouth and it tastes sugary. That's so funny. Oh my gosh, my skin feels so good. Wow. I'm actually gonna double exfoliate down here because I've like, this is where it's like really flaky and stuff. The rest of my skin feels so smooth. I'm impressed. Now my skin feels really freaking good. Now I'm just gonna put on just regular moisturizer. It feels so good. Doing a little bit of this. Hey. I don't think I'm gonna have to put on makeup at all today because I don't have to film. I'm just vlogging. I'm in the process of editing another video right now, so that's always nice. The makeup free days, especially like I said, my skin is freaking out right now, so I'm just trying to give it a day or two. I think I'm filming tomorrow with Gretchen, which will be makeup day, I guess, because I want to obviously put on makeup for that. I just try to like be conscious about having like genuine makeup free days. We're gonna see if these products help me, but I also haven't been to get like a facial or anything in a long time either, which I might go do just because my skin is freaking out right now. But I think that if you use the right products, they'll correct. I just used the Tula moisturizer too, by the way. I'm gonna let my skin breathe, calm down, and I'll show you guys the setup right now. Just did a thumbnail, drinking my coffee still, and working on this video right now. And then I'm going to make a massive to-do list. I just went in actually kind of recently and made like a video idea list of like videos I want to do coming up, but I need to plan like when I'm gonna film all those and like put those into action and stuff, obviously, and just a general timeline for my videos. I want to get better about like an uploading schedule because I feel like I'm all over the place with you guys, and I just don't want to do that anymore. Just made some tea. We're about to have a call for Gals on the Go, planning some fun stuff coming up. You guys will probably hear about it soon, but it's with Podcast One and a bunch of people. It's a noon call, so I'm gonna dial in now, take that call, do some laundry. I just love sitting on the couch. So excited right now because I told you guys I don't have like any food in my fridge right now. I basically ate the last thing that I have this morning, and I just got my HelloFresh. We're gonna talk about it in a sec. Did the call, so exciting. There's big things coming with Gals on the Go. I just am so excited to see what's to come, and Danielle and I actually have projects we're working on, which is thrilling. I have a call at 3 with my accountant, which should be exciting, I guess. Not really like super exciting, but it's tax season, so gotta figure out all that stuff. So maybe I'll make the HelloFresh actually after. That actually makes perfect sense because I'm working out at 7:30, and I always hate coming home so late and making like a big meal super late, because it's just like, I don't know, just I feel like it doesn't exactly make sense. So maybe I'll eat my bigger meal for like a late lunch. Yeah, that's good. I'll eat my bigger meal for a late lunch, and then I could like almost eat the leftovers for dinner or something. Beautiful. Got the laundry going. Close that up. Went ahead and lit this candle. I don't exactly know. I guess it kind of smells like that like typical guy scent that Bath & Body Works has. Almost like an Abercrombie, but it's called Black Tie. So now I wanted to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring this portion of the vlog. I'm so excited to be working with HelloFresh. I love talking about them because I just love HelloFresh in general. It's America's #1 meal kit delivery service, and the thing that I really like about it is there's truly something for everyone. So I got the vegetarian plan this week. There's low calorie, vegetarian, and family friendly every time you go to get it. This is what the box looks like. I just did vegetarian this week. I can show you guys the recipes that we got. We have crispy chickpea tabbouleh bowls. I've gotten ones like this before. I love their like bowls and stuff like that. I also do the plan for 2 people. You can do it for 2 people, 4 people, really customize it. French onion soup. I'm interested. And then this one, which I think I'm gonna do now because I'm really looking forward to this. black bean and poblano quesadillas. Yum. I'm so bad about picking out recipes and just like going online. I know that there's websites for it and stuff to go and like try to find recipes and cook them yourself. HelloFresh actually cuts out the stressful meal prep, meal planning, all that stuff. For me, that's the most stressful part about cooking. So you guys could actually get cooking and get dinner on the table in like 20-30 minutes. It really doesn't take long at all. Like this quesadilla one I'm gonna take, it says it takes 25 minutes total. That's pretty good. So every recipe comes with this like little bag. So it actually comes with like the perfect amount of everything. So the ingredients are already pre-proportioned, which means there's less prep for you and less food waste in general, which is nice because they give you the perfect amount. You guys know me, gal on the go. I always am changing my delivery dates and preferences. Like I said, I'm doing veggie now. I did the calories smart a few weeks ago. I'm just changing it around, and if you know you're gonna be out of town, you could change it. Like I knew that I was coming back in town, so I like scheduled it for today. How great is that? Skip a week whenever you need. Really nice. I still have to do my phone call, but now looking at all this food has me really freaking hungry. I actually will have time to do it now if I wanted to. New year, get 10 free meals. How awesome is that? Use the code brookemicciobusiness to get 10 free meals plus free shipping on HelloFresh. That's 10 freaking free meals. So just be sure you use my code. I'll have the link down below and everything. But let's chef this up. Plenty of time. Let's do it. And I'm going to put the other two ones that are, they also come in like they're pretty little prepped. I'll just stick them right in the fridge for tomorrow, next day, whatever. Kind of a flex. Look at this. I'm gonna try it now and let you guys know. I just got so tired, so I'm drinking this Celsius, which I know is not good because it is 7 o'clock now, getting ready for SoulCycle. I don't know why, but I've been on this huge Lorde kick, and I just like did some research on her because she like doesn't post on social media, hasn't posted new music since this album, which I guess is like somewhat recent. What is that, like 2018? Because she had like the album that I remember from high school, Pure Heroin, which is like Tennis Court, Love Club, like all that stuff. It's kind of emo stuff, but then there's some fun ones in there. Let me know if you guys are into Lorde too, or if you know anything about her, because I'm confused on her life. Like she's so private and only has like 2 albums basically. Oh my gosh, the lighting, I don't know why it's like that, but I had to get stuff to validate my parking per usual. So I got this core wellness shot. Do you guys know how I can make like little wellness shots and stuff like that? I don't have a juicer, so is that gonna be like, I understand that this is plastic waste and it could be totally avoided, but I really actually enjoy taking these. I'm psyching myself out that they actually work. This is basically, the ingredients are coconut water, lemon juice, ginger juice, cayenne pepper. Can I put this in a blender? Like I don't have a juicer, so let me know, but it does say that it's a recycled bottle, so I guess it's better than nothing. And then I got some more oat milk. Like I said earlier in the vlog, I didn't have any of this, and I was like, oh, I could just totally snag some, and they were both on sale, so awesome. For like the easiest dinner ever, I really didn't have much leftovers in my HelloFresh because I ate like most of it, so I'm always a hungry gal. I eat a lot of food. I'm just taking this bowl. I just microwaved this bag of rice from Trader Joe's, and then I had actually some leftover beans from an old HelloFresh, so I'm just gonna do like a little rice and beans. Is that weird? It's not that weird. It's really late. I shouldn't be eating this late, but I was just sitting around doing I just posted a video, and then I was like, wait, I'm hungry, and I was about to make poor snacking decisions, and I was like, you know what, Brooke, you should probably eat like, if not a meal, someone like a meal. My workout class was phenomenal. Did I even say that? Also, I'm uploading my LA vlog, and wait, I'm putting soy sauce on top. I don't know why, you guys, I'm obsessed with soy sauce right now. Weird. And then I'm just mixing it all around. It's literally just rice. This is, I can show you the rice. This rice medley from Trader Joe's that I've been getting, just in like little microwavable bags, really yummy. I said in my last video that I was gonna do an LA week in my life, which I never did. Honestly, I was hanging out with someone that I just didn't want to vlog, like basically the whole weekend. So let that go wherever you think it's going. I don't know. It's really good. Yeah, sometimes I like want to vlog and stuff, but then I'm like, I don't want to shove a camera in anybody's face, especially when I'm like just getting to know people. I feel like that's weird if they aren't into YouTube or whatever. I do love showing you guys my friends, but at the beginning of relationships, friendships or romantic, whatever it is, I'm sure you guys can understand that it's like weird to do that. or not even that it's weird, but I just feel uncomfortable and I don't want people to feel weirded out by me. But I did post on my Instagram stories and stuff, so if you guys want to go check out my trip, I think I saved all of the stuff that I did over the weekend in my LA highlights. But basically just went to Santa Monica, like went to the pier, walked around. I've done it before, but it was so beautiful, so it's nice to be outdoors. And then watched the recorded with Taylor, went to the Super Bowl, and then that was like literally my weekend. It was super simple, and then I took a red eye back here, so, and that was the beginning of this vlog. Hi guys, ending off the vlog here. I wanted to say thanks so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. All my clothes are drying, and I'm going to be doing more vlogs this weekend. Yay, love you guys, bye.